Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. In the last video, we have created a repository. Now we are cloning this repository. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the repository which I created in the previous video, how to clone it. There are the methods. So here you can see that to clone it, just copy this link because it's a public repository. So it doesn't give me to allow to add the username or password, right? So just copy this and go to any of your folder, okay, or create any folder over here. So here you can see that I'm going to create a new folder into that one. So mkdir test folder, I'm going to create it. Okay, cd test, right? Or I don't need to go with, because the magento folder automatically comes with this one, right? So let's go and just get put the git clone and the repository name. This is the repository which I've copied, and just enter, and it will give the clone. And if I go to the cd magento, okay, and give the ls, here you can see that we have a license and the readme file, which the file is that one. Okay, so this is how we are going to clone this repository. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.